So if you are seeing the error on ChatGPT, we have detected suspicious behavior from phone numbers similar to yours, then this video is for you. I'll share with you different methods for overcoming this issue, so you gotta watch out this video tutorial till the end. And the last method that I will share with you works 110%. So the very first reason this thing is happening is you may have problem with the phone number that you are using for creating your account. So the very first thing is try using another phone number for creating your ChatGPT account. Maximum chances are this problem will be vanished when you try creating your ChatGPT account on another phone numbers. Now the solution number 2. If you are creating your ChatGPT account in normal tabs, then try creating it in private tab. No matters you are using Safari or Chrome or laptop or mobile, just open the incognito or private mode and then try creating your account. Now moving towards the solution number 3, which is switch between the browsers. Mean if you are using Safari, you have to switch to Google Chrome, and if you are trying to create your account on Google Chrome, you have to switch to Safari. So this was the method number 3. Now, if any of these don't work, then you have to move to the solution number 4, which is try using a VPN service. You can download any VPN from App Store or Play Store, or even if you are on Windows or your desktop, you can download it from Google. And if you are already using a VPN, then try creating your account by turning it off. Mean this is the inverse. If this thing is happening on turned on VPN, then turn it off. And if you never turned it on, then try creating your account with a turned on VPN service. And the last but not least solution is switch between the devices. Means if you see this problem for creating account in mobile, then try creating your account on another mobile or another device such as laptop or desktop. And if you are doing it on laptop, then try creating your account on someone else's mobile or laptop. And one more method for fixing this issue is switch between the networks. Means if you are using the Wi-Fi, you have to switch to mobile data and then try creating your account. And if same thing happens, you have to switch to Wi-Fi if you are using mobile data. So I'm 110% sure that any of these things will work and your account will be easily created if you follow any of these steps, and any of these things will 100% work for you. Let me know in the comments that which thing worked for you, so it may be a big help for the others. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.